I got to the point to where I could no longer control my bowels. And it was terrifying. I mean, travel stopped, going out with friends, just anything that tied me to the bathroom.
For 9 years, Rhonda Green lived with the fear and embarrassment of not being able to control her bowels. Bowel incontinence affects around 30,000 women every year in the U.S.
It's a pretty significant issue. I mean, I think most of us, if we lost control of our stool one time, it would be an enormous impact on just your activities that day. Most women that have complaints of accidental bowel leakage think at first that it might go away, so they give it a little bit of time, give it a bit of a chance to improve itself.
As time passed, Green's problems continued. She started to limit herself socially, which led to depression and weight gain.
I think one of the main things that I struggled with the most was the depression, because it was so depressing for me. So I had gained weight simply due to the lack of exercise. So I knew I had to make a choice. I knew I had to make a lifestyle change. So that's what I decided that I would do. I had to get back in shape. I had to lose weight.
Desperate for help, a call from UAB physician Holly Richter came at the perfect time. Richter told Green that UAB was testing a device that could help with bowel incontinence, called the Eclipse System. She asked if Green would be interested in participating.
The Eclipse is a very exciting new treatment modality for accidental bowel leakage. It's a vaginal insert, much like a tampon, and is placed into the vagina and actually helps prevent the leakage of stool. Over 90% of patients stated that it was a comfortable fit for them. And in terms of its impact on quality of life, all areas of quality of life for these women were improved.
Green was thrilled at the chance to get her life back on track.
It has changed my life. I have been able to drive from home to work without having to stop at the bathroom. We're beginning to travel again because I can make it from one exit to the other. I don't have to pack a bag.
Her newfound freedom allowed her to spend more time with family and get back in the gym.
I have been able to relieve a lot of stress, build confidence from that, and see a physical change in my body that makes me like myself better.
I guess the reason why I'm so excited about this new treatment modality is because I've taken care of a lot of women with this problem over the years. And it's really rare when you absolutely cure a woman of this issue.
I want to encourage all women, if given the opportunity, to try this. It has changed my life. It's given me a great part of my life back. And to not be afraid. I know when you first start, it's kind of scary, but with the support that I've received, it's made it all worthwhile.